Hi, this is Dominic Schwebs with safeandvaultstore.com. We're going to unbox for you today the Stopbox Strike vehicle handgun safe. We have one of the Stopbox Strikes here, but we're going to unbox one for you here today. So open the box. Inside you'll get a nice little manual and your warranty information. We'll get a security cable and your keys to lock it, unlock it. And here's the strike, so we're just going to take it out of the box. Comes in this nice foam to protect it, and this is what it looks like. The Stopbox Strike features an all-mechanical design. There's no electronics or anything to go bad, and it can hold different firearms, compact and full-size handguns. And just make sure if it has a light or an extended magazine, it may not fit. So you want to measure your handgun to make sure it fits before purchasing. The ideal fit for a firearm is a Glock 17 or similar to that. The Stopbox Strike fits most full-size vehicles such as Ram, Ford, GMC trucks, and SUVs. Make sure to measure. The housing dimensions are 8 inches high, 1.68 inches wide, and 10.50 inches deep. To open it, you're just going to insert your key in the lock and turn it. So now it's in the open position. So if you need to get access to your handgun quickly, you're just going to press this button, and it's going to pop up your handgun quickly. One further thing about how this opens, it has a spring release mechanism here that you would hit with your knee in your vehicle to pop open your handgun. To secure it in your vehicle, you're going to use this included security cable. A padlock is not included, but you'd secure it together with a padlock inside your vehicle. This vehicle handgun safe is perfect if you need to lock up your firearm. Let's say you need to go into a place that doesn't allow firearms, such as a courthouse. This can keep it secure, but allow you quick access in the event of an emergency. If you have any questions, give us a call. Our number is 800-207-2259. My name is Dominic with Safe and Vault Store, and thank you for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest updates of all of our products and videos.